In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drag and drop activities on Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to make learning more interactive and fun, especially when engaging students with digital content. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Google Slides, or simply clicking on the link if you have it already saved. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Signing in ensures all your work is saved to your drive as you go along, making it easy to access and share later. When you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. This is where all your previously created presentations live and where you'll start the new one. To create a new presentation, click on the button that says Blank Presentation. This will open up a fresh slide where you can unleash your creativity and start designing. Now that you have your blank slide open, it's time to design your slide layout. Think about what you want your activity to look like. Consider the background, the elements that will stay static, and the areas where you want users to drag and drop items. Use shapes, images, and text boxes in creative ways to set the scene for your activity. Once your background and static elements are set, it's time to add the drag items. These are the objects that participants will move around. You can use various shapes, text boxes, or even images, anything that suits the theme of your activity. Make sure these drag items are obvious and distinct so users know exactly what they need to interact with. For these drag items, a good tip is to copy and paste if you need multiple identical pieces, as this keeps your sizing consistent. Also, consider the size and weight of the items. They should be easy to click and move around without overwhelming the space you're working in. Review your layout, ensuring everything looks polished and intuitive to use. You may want to test moving these objects around yourself to ensure a smooth experience for your users. Save your work as you progress to avoid losing any intricate details you may have created. When you're satisfied with the design, your Google Slide drag and drop activity is ready to go. Share it with your students or colleagues by clicking the Share button and adjusting the settings to allow them to interact with it directly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make learning more interactive using Google Slides. Give it a try and let us know how it enhances your educational activities. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.